Thank you for coming to Fehr Cab Interiors for your cab interior needs. Today we're going to show you how to install a John Deere SoundGuard cab interior lower kit. This is the kit we've just recently came out with that is on plastic, and the parts are much easier to install. This cab has all been prepared for us today. We're just going to show you how to install these parts. As you can see here, we have a tube of caulk adhesive, and we're going to apply it around the perimeter and some in the middle, and simply just slide this part right into place. This is one of the corner pieces. We're working on an early model John Deere 30 series today. This video demonstration can be used for all the SoundGuard cabs, all the way from the 30s, the 40s, the 50s, the 55 and 60 series cabs. Can all be used in this demonstration today. Now we're going to install the under seat piece here. As you can see, these parts are all pre-cut, all in plastic. All you have to do is apply this caulk around the edge and in the middle, and they're so easy to install. There's zero headache, zero problems. They're very, very simple to put in. Simply put the part into place and line it up and slide it down underneath this metal bracket on the floor here and push it into position. And then smooth it into place. We're going to work on the other side here, on the other side of the seat. Quickly apply this caulk around the perimeter, around the edge. This is the back side view here, showing you how we slide it into place. And you'll note that we've left the seat in, which is very, very helpful for these cabs because they can be a job to take out. So with this style kit, it's not necessary to have to remove the seat. These parts on plastic, they become very rigid, and you can just slide them into place. On this right and left hand sidewalls, you want to make sure you push that cable all the way up underneath that ridge, otherwise it will get in the way of the part and the part will not slide into place properly. Line the part up. You've noticed we've left that kick panel in place, so you don't have to remove it. It's a lot less steps, a lot quicker job. These parts will simply just slide under place. With this caulk, you've got plenty of time to reposition the parts, to move them around. You don't have to worry about them, getting stuck right away as soon as you stick it. Here's another backside view here. We're going to curve this right wall down and press it into place here. Now we're going to move on to the left wall. Just put caulk into place here and around the perimeter, and real quickly here. This one here, you've got lots of different angles and different points, and when you're gluing these in with the spray can adhesive, this is a tough part to put in. When it's on caulk, you can pretty much start it anywhere, and you've got plenty of time to move it around and slide it into place. And on these early model 30s here, we've got an ashtray, so we had to cut out around that and to get that around that hole location there, which we mark out in the part for you to cut out. And then we're just going to simply tuck this underneath that rail. It's so simple. There's no more guessing anymore. You still have to do a little bit of tucking here and there just to get it into position and make sure it's fit up against the other part. But for the most part, we finish all the edges. But we make the job so much easier for you to install. Simply just press and apply the part. Now, not all these parts are perfectly adhered at the moment, so we'll show you here in a little bit. We'll go back and reapply the parts and make sure, or reapply pressure to them and make sure that they're stuck. This is an odd angle here. This is from the back side of the cab. We had to customize this part. It's not normally this way to cut out around this wire monitor that comes through the back here, but there's self-adhesive with Velcro on it on these two parts, and all you have to do is remove that self-adhesive tab and line the part up and press it into place. You won't see in this video, but it's beneficial to take the part back off and make sure the Velcro is stuck to the other bottom part, so it's not going to go anywhere. Here where I'm showing you how we're going to press all the parts down, make sure they're all nice and stuck and snug, and everything's a lot easier. One thing to note too, we did use silicone in this video. We have changed our methods, and we use a caulk adhesive, which is going to last a lot longer and easier to install. We thank you for coming to Fehr Cab Interiors for your cab interior needs, and we look forward to serving you.